I'm worried about my English. My English is not improving. And I really want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Whenever I see people speaking English fluently, that time one question arises in my mind that when? When will I be able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly? And it is just bothering me. What should I do? Do you also have this problem? Don't worry, my friend. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something. If you really follow them sincerely, you are going to speak this language. You are going to see improvement in your speaking. Hello and welcome to my channel, English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you that how you can start speaking this language fluently. There are some key areas, I would say that mainly 4 key areas where you should work, and then you will see that you will start speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. As we have heard from many people that for learning any languages, we need to listen. Indeed, we should try to follow these things, If we want to learn any language, we need to listen more and more. Then let's try to apply this formula here. And I think that you have already started because you are watching my video, you are listening English, right? So keep listening. And I'm not saying that only watch my video, only listen my English. No, watch whomsoever you like, watch their videos, So you have already started listening. So on one area, you have already started working. So be happy for that one, okay? Second thing, learning vocabulary. As we know that for speaking any language, we need to have proper words. So for speaking English language also, if we have enough vocabulary, we are going to speak without any hurdle, right? Without stuck in, our mind will not go blank. How? If we have enough vocabulary. So work on your vocabulary. And how can we work? My friend, to be honest, when I was beginner, it was very challenging for me. I used to listen one side and then second side I used to forget them also. Then how did I work? How do I learn vocabulary now? Still, I find it challenging, but not that much, really. Now, when I listen, so I think that I don't forget that much easy way, the way I used to forget in my beginning day. Why? Because it was hard for me initially. Now it is not that much, okay? So if you are a beginner, now it would be very challenging to, remember the words and all. But my friend, don't worry, just keep doing. If you are forgetting, if you have tendency to forget words, everyone has, first of all, not only you, so don't worry. But how you can overcome? There is only one way, by practicing. First of all, when you are coming across any new words, then try to write down somewhere and then try to practice, by using that vocabulary. Otherwise, there are chances that you are going to forget them. So if you don't want to lose those vocabulary from your mind, from your vocabulary, account, so try to work on them. Try to use them as many times as possible. And then rarely you will forget them. This is one thing. Third key areas, if I talk, then speaking. My friend, speaking is uttermost important. Unless you speak, you are not going to become a fluent speaker. So don't care whether you are speaking right, wrong, anything in initial days. When we learn this language, when we spend our 5 months, 4 months or 3 months, I think that time we should concern about our mistake and all, but initially we should not. So start speaking whatever comes in your mind. And here question arises, I don't have a lot of vocabulary, I don't know a lot of sentences. Don't worry, speak some words, and then you will see your confidence will build up. Initially everything is challenging. Let me share with you one story related to my video. See, when I was beginner in terms of making videos, so I used to come with my mobile and selfie stand in my garden. That time whenever I would see anyone coming, that time I used to hide my mobile and selfie stand, so that they could not see me that what Anita is doing, because I was feeling shy, and I did not used to show them that what I do, because my confidence was, I would say that, down, and I was feeling low confident, and I used to feel shy and fear in front of my villager. But now you must be able to see, or you might have seen in my videos, I don't care, people come and go, right? And how did it happen over the night? No. One time I felt shy and I stopped making video. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, many a time I did. And I found that I was getting late. But from my one mistake, I used to learn little bit and gain little bit confidence. And then second, then third, then fourth. And now I feel little bit shy in front of people, not that much. So in your case also, today you might be feeling shy. You might be feeling that I can't speak this language, and it is really difficult, but that day is not going to remain same. It will also end. Okay, so don't worry, start speaking, and don't care what people are going to say you. See, if I had cared, I would have already stopped making video, right? But did I care? No. Earlier I was caring, but not that much. That, okay, I will stop recording my video and what people would think about me. No, I'm not doing any sin, right? Am I attaining any sin? No, I'm not. That is why you are also not going to do any sin. Start speaking, okay? So how can you start speaking? Start speaking words, okay? Not in sentences, words. After that, then sentences. And then you will see that day by day you will gain confidence. First day is the hardest day. That fear is not going to remain the same amount of, I would say that, in your mind, right? So first day you will feel very much shy and a lot of fear will be there, but you can't overcome all these problems over the night. It will take time, gradually. See, in my case, I have been recording video, I think, for more than 2 years, but I started posting videos, it has been more than 1 year, right? So that is why I got confidence, and now also I think I have to work on so that I can become more confident and I can record my video nice way. And I have to work also like you, okay? You are not alone, I'm also along with you, I'm also a learner, okay? So this is the third key area. Fourth one is work on your grammar, my friend. I have heard from many people that should I learn grammar or not? So you should. People were asking to me that should I learn grammar? Grammar is important or not? Grammar is important. As a beginner, हम इस लैंग्वेज के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? पहले सोचते हैं ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है और हम इसको सीख नहीं पाएंगे, लाइक दैट, ओके? बट इट्स नॉट दैट मच डिफ़िकल्ट, माय फ्रेंड. आप इस लैंग्वेज को लर्न कर सकते हैं. पहले नंबर आप डिसाइड करिए कि हमें फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनना है, नो मैटर व्हाट. एंड देन आफ्टर उसको आपको क्या करना है कि पहले सुनना शुरू करिए, उसके बाद वोकैबुलरी को लर्न करिए और उसको बोलिए, ठीक है? आउट लाउडली सिर्फ और सिर्फ वोकैबुलरी को बोलिए. जस्ट लाइक वॉक, रन, ड्रिंक, सी, वॉच, and talk, drive, write. Try to speak in words. Afterward, try to learn grammar, because grammar works as a glue, I think, somewhere, or it brings accuracy also in your speaking. So learn grammar also, okay? क्या होता है कि हम सोचते हैं, हम बहुत तर्क वितर्क करते हैं कि ग्रामर इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, ग्रामर इम्पॉर्टेंट है. देखिए, अगर आप अनजान हैं तो उस केस में तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप जानबूझकर ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि ग्रामर इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं है, तो तर्क वितर्क छोड़िए और आप एक्सेप्ट करिए, ठीक है? कि लोग कह रहे हैं, लग रहा है ग्रामर इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो आप उस चीज़ को लर्न करिए. और ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है, आपको डीप में नहीं जाना है, बस बेसिक ग्रामर लर्न करिए. आप अगर ऐसे सर्च करेंगे यूट्यूब पे ना कि हमें बेसिक ग्रामर लर्न करना है, तो आप पूरा एक लिस्ट पा जाएंगे, ठीक है? और बहुत सारे टीचर अवेलेबल हैं, उनसे आप बेसिक ग्रामर पढ़ सकते हैं. एक से नहीं समझ में आता है तो फिर दूसरे का वीडियो देखिए. इस तरीके से आप देख पाएंगे कि आपका ग्रामर इम्प्रूव होगा और उससे आप एक्यूरेसी ला पाएंगे, आप सही से इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे. बट don't try to stress this thing so much that okay, only grammar, learning grammar. No, just learn little bit grammar, I would say that basic grammar, but mainly what matters, listening and speaking. Grammar is important when you have a certain level, I would say that, when you are upper beginner, that time grammar is very important. From there, from that level, you should be more conscious about your grammar. But if you are truly beginner, you have just started learning this language, don't worry your grammar, don't worry about your accuracy. You will gain. How? By speaking, by listening, and by learning grammar. So the person who was asking me that learning grammar is important or not, for him, that yes, it's important, you should work. But if you are truly beginner and you have just started, it's been only 3, 4, 5 days, then don't worry, just start speaking whatever comes in your mind. But if you have already spent 1 month, start learning grammar also, because accuracy also matters, my friend, right? If we are speaking English and we know that we are speaking correct English, and how can we know if we know grammar? Okay, otherwise, instead of using let's take the example of eat. So instead of using, like if I talk about yesterday, so I would say that yesterday I ate food. Today, like I'm going to eat food. Tomorrow I will eat food. So I've seen many people, they say that eated. No problem if they are beginner, but that mistake should not remain. If you grow, growth means what? You should speak this language fluently and with accuracy. That accuracy should be there. And how can it come? By practicing and by working on your grammar. So grammar is important, basic grammar. And for whom? Those who don't have environment. Okay, not for everyone, I think. I don't have idea about foreigner. And apart from foreigner, we all need grammar, okay? Whosoever is in India, I think we don't have environment, right? So we need to go through grammar. We should learn grammar. So this kinds of practice we should do. So let me summarize the thing. First of all, start listening as many hours as you can. Then your English will improve, okay? Second thing, that learn vocabulary, okay? I understand that you will forget for a couple of days, that whatever you are going to learn, you may forget. But don't worry. In doing so, you will get a lot of knowledge, or I would say that you will learn how to speak, okay? So don't worry that I'm forgetting word, or whenever I learn, I forget. Don't worry. Just to focus on your work. What is your work? Learning vocabulary and writing them, practicing them. That's it. If you forget, then think that other people also, they have tendency to forget like you, okay? So don't worry. And third thing, as I told you, that start speaking. Whatever comes in your mind, words, then sentences, then anything, just start speaking. And then gradually you will gain confidence, you will gain fluency in all, okay? Because I did it. Earlier I was not confident enough. Really, my friend, I used to feel shy in front of myself. I mean, whenever I would see myself in camera or in my mobile, I used to feel shy. But see, that much of transformation happened in me that now I don't feel shy. I have accepted myself, okay? And I have accepted myself with my flaws, with my mistake. You should also do, okay? So now you might be feeling like I can't speak. You will be able. Just follow these kinds of technique, okay? So start listening, learn vocabulary, and start speaking, and work on your grammar also, my friend. It's really important, okay? When it comes to writing, I think that I didn't work on writing so much, Still, I write little bit, not a lot. But I think that if I write, it may also improve my English. So if it, then I will definitely start. I write little bit, not a lot, okay? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope my video is going to help you and you are going to improve your English. This is my wish for you, that I want you to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. So for today, that's what I wanted to share. I hope you like my video. If you then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.